Are you so over constantly being broke and living that paycheck to paycheck life? Are you totally down for leveling up your financial game and securing that bag, but you struggle with your money mindset? We're going to show you how to level up your money game with these 10 epic money mindset tips. So it's time to make those dollar bills rain. Trust me, you're not being left behind with that struggle of not being able to flex your financial success. Like so many peeps out there who are dealing with the messed up money mindset that's holding them back from crushing their goals. Attitude for gratitude. Embrace that gratitude vibe. Instead of always thinking about what you're missing out on, shift your focus to what you already have. Trust me, when you start appreciating the blessings in your life, you'll feel so much happier. Think about it. There's so much to be thankful for. The roof over your head, the food on your plate, the people in your life. So every day, take a moment to reflect on the things that make your life great. Write them down, speak them out loud, or just keep them in your head. Whatever works for you. Just remember, practicing gratitude is like flexing a muscle. The more you do it, the stronger and more positive your money mindset will become. And before you know it, you'll be slaying that contentment game and slapping away those money stresses like they're nothing. Number 1. Visualization vibes. It's time to unleash the power of your imagination, my friend. Close your eyes and let's dive into some next-level visualization vibes. Picture yourself totally slaying your financial goals. See yourself rolling in stacks of cash, living that boss life, and straight up killing it. Seriously, visualization is like having your own personal hype squad. It helps you stay laser-focused on your goals and reminds you why you're grinding in the first place. When you can see yourself achieving those financial milestones, it's going to be your secret weapon when the going gets tough and your motivation starts to waver. And trust me, when you finally reach those goals and turn that vision into a reality, it'll be a feeling like no other. You'll be living proof that dreams can come true if you keep that visualization game strong. Number 2. Create a budget. Alright, listen up. It's time to get your financial game on point with this thing called a budget. Yeah, I know it sounds boring, but trust me, it's going to be your ultimate money superpower. So here's the deal. A budget's like having a roadmap for your moolah. It shows you exactly where your cash flow's headed and helps you make smart choices about how you spend it. No more wondering where all your funds magically disappear to. First things first, you gotta get a handle on your expenses. Sit down, grab your phone or laptop, and start crunching those numbers. Figure out how much dough you're bringing in each month and break it down like a pro. Rent, bills, food, entertainment, clothing, list them all out. Now here's where the real magic happens. With your budget in hand, you can make some epic decisions about your spending. Want to splurge on that new pair of kicks? Check your budget first to see if it's doable without breaking the bank. Need to save up for that dream vacation? Adjust your budget and allocate some funds specifically for that epic adventure. But remember, a budget isn't just about restrictions. It's about taking control of your money and making it work for you. So grab your budgeting app and start slaying that financial planning game. Number 3. Pay yourself first. We've got a financial hack that'll level up your money game called paying yourself first. And trust me, it's the key to securing that bag and building some serious wealth. Here's how it goes down. When that paycheck hits your account, set aside a sweet chunk of your hard-earned cash for savings or investments right off the bat. Think about it. By paying yourself first, you're showing love to your future self. It's like giving yourself a high five and saying, "Yo, future me, I got your back." Start by deciding on a percentage or fixed amount that you're going to stash away each time you get paid. It might be 10%, 20%, or even more, depending on your goals and financial situation. Whatever you choose, stick to it like glue. As you consistently pay yourself first, you're building a solid financial foundation. And here's the best part, my peeps. By making savings or investments a priority, you're forcing yourself to get creative with the rest of your funds. You'll learn to budget smarter, find ways to cut back on unnecessary expenses, and maybe even discover new side hustles to boost that income. Are you ready to transform your financial future? The revolutionary online course and workbook from Stealth Wealth Society is now available for you to seize. Take the leap and unlock the coveted secrets of building lasting wealth for yourself and those you care about. Don't miss out on this opportunity. Purchase today and discover why Stealth Wealth Society has swiftly emerged as the ultimate resource for attaining financial independence. Join the ranks of the first 50 individuals to invest and enjoy an incredible 50% discount on the course. To ensure you don't miss any valuable updates, please subscribe to our channel now. Number 4. Curate yourself with a positive squad. Here's the deal. The peeps you hang with can totally influence your money mindset, so choose wisely. Connect with those who have a healthy relationship with money, people who hustle hard, save smart, and invest in their future. When you roll with a crew that's all about that financial growth, you'll start absorbing their positive energy and money smarts. You'll learn from their experiences, gain fresh insights, and even discover new opportunities to level up your financial game. But watch out for the haters. Stay away from those who bring that negative energy and try to drag you down. You know the type. The ones who constantly complain about being broke, blame others for their financial struggles, or straight up judge your money moves. Surrounding yourself with positive influences means surrounding yourself with peeps who uplift and inspire you. They'll cheer you on when you achieve your goals, support your financial ambitions, and remind you that you're capable of crushing it. Number 5. Mindfulness and money. When you tap into that mindfulness flow, you'll unlock a whole new level of financial game. Being mindful about your spending means being fully present and aware of your choices. It's like flexing your mental muscles. So picture this. You're out shopping or scrolling through those tempting online stores, and that flashy new gadget catches your eye. Instead of impulsively throwing that cash around like confetti, take a moment to pause and reflect. Ask yourself, do I really need this? Will it bring long-term value to my life? Can I find a better use for this money? Being mindful helps you see beyond those temporary cravings and impulses. It gives you the power to make smart decisions that align with your financial goals and values. But here's the kicker. Mindfulness isn't just about spending. It's about becoming aware of your overall money habits. Take a step back and observe your patterns. Are you spending too much on takeout or subscriptions? Are there areas where you can cut back and save up? By practicing mindfulness, you gain a deeper understanding of your relationship with money. You become more conscious of where every dollar goes and the impact it has on your financial well-being. Being mindful about your spending choices doesn't mean you can't enjoy the finer things in life. It's about finding a balance and being intentional with your money. Treat yourself to that occasional splurge, but do it consciously and with purpose. Number 6. Words of affirmation. Now tap into the power of affirmations and manifest that sweet, sweet abundance in your life. Get ready to reprogram your subconscious mind like a pro and attract those stacks of cash. So repeat after me. I am a money magnet. Abundance flows to me effortlessly. I attract wealth like a boss. By consistently affirming these positive statements, you're rewiring your subconscious mind. It's like training your brain to believe in your financial success on a deep subconscious level. You know what the real kicker is? Affirmations are all about keeping it real and staying authentic to yourself. Create affirmations that resonate with your goals and values. If you're all about building your own empire, say things like, I'm a fierce entrepreneur. I'm destined for financial greatness. Now don't just mumble these affirmations like a robot. Say them out loud with conviction. Feel the power of those words and let them sink deep into your being. The more you embody the energy of abundance, the more you'll attract it into your life. But you gotta back them up with action. Number 7. Learn from mistakes. Listen up. We all make mistakes, especially when it comes to money. But instead of getting all down on yourself, embrace those mishaps and turn them into valuable lessons. There's no need to beat yourself up over those financial slip-ups. We've all been there. The key is to learn from those mistakes and level up your money game moving forward. Take a moment to reflect on what went wrong. Did you overspend on that epic shopping spree, or maybe you made a risky investment choice? Whatever it was, own it and learn from it. Recognize that mistakes are just stepping stones on your journey to financial success. Here's the real tea though. Making mistakes is a part of the hustle. It's how we grow and become smarter with our money. So don't shy away from them. Armed with that newfound wisdom, make better choices going forward. Use those mistakes as fuel to build a solid financial foundation. Budget smarter, save more, and make informed decisions about where to invest your hard-earned cash. Number 8. Risk taker game changer. Taking calculated risks can be the game changer you've been waiting for. So don't hold back when it comes to investing in yourself or your business. Here's the deal. Life is all about taking leaps of faith and chasing those big dreams. Sometimes playing it safe won't get you to the point where you want to be. It's those calculated risks that can open up a whole world of opportunities. Now let's break it down. When we say calculated risks, we're talking about making informed choices that have the potential for big rewards. It's not about going all in blindly, but about doing your homework, weighing the pros and cons, and trusting your instincts. If you've got that killer business idea or a passion project that's been burning inside of you, it's time to go all in. Invest in yourself. But hold up, don't get it twisted. Taking calculated risks doesn't mean throwing caution to the wind. It's about finding that sweet spot between excitement and practicality. Do your research, seek advice from mentors or experts, and create a solid plan of action. And remember, as we said earlier, failure is not the enemy. It's a teacher. Embrace the possibility of setbacks, learn from them, and use them to fuel your growth. Number 9. Give back. Giving back isn't just about helping others. It's about helping yourself too. When you lend a helping hand, donate to a cause you're passionate about, or volunteer your time, you're tapping into a wellspring of good vibes that'll make your heart sing. Think about it. When you make a positive impact on someone's life, whether big or small, you're creating a ripple effect of goodness. It's like planting seeds of positivity that will blossom and bring even more positivity your way. When you give back, you're shifting your focus from scarcity to abundance. And that's where it all happens. Suddenly, you'll start attracting more positive energy, opportunities, and even like-minded individuals who share your passion for making a difference. And here's a secret. Giving back doesn't just benefit others. It benefits you too. You'll feel a sense of purpose, fulfillment, and joy that money can't buy. It's a win-win situation, my peeps. We want to hear from you too. Drop your thoughts in the comments section. Let us know which mindset resonates with you the most. Is it the power of affirmations, the thrill of taking calculated risks, or maybe the joy of giving back? Share your favorite money mindset and any other tips you have. Cheers to a life of stealth wealth. Till next time.